Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson. In this video, we will recap today's stock market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first, March has been an exciting month thus far. We have had some exciting profiles to look back on for sure. KULR, which we profiled last Wednesday, opened up at 15 cents. Today, it exploded all the way to 42 cents and closed near the high of the day on huge interest. That's a 180% move in less than a week. You can watch our Wednesday video that covered KULR. It got over 2,700 views. Congrats to all who watched and banked. We have another profile for Tuesday's session. Pull up INDP immediately. This one has just under 6 million shares in the float. Over the past 12 months, we have not seen any insider selling. We did see one substantial insider purchase of over 100,000 shares at $2.34, which has turned out to be a good move thus far. As of December 31st, the company had cash and cash equivalents of $13.4 million. Current market cap is just $21 million. Top line data from the INDP-D101 trial of lead compound Decoy 20 was presented at the Society of Immunotherapy and Cancer on November 4th. In addition to the safety data and immune response reported previously, the company reported that all 4 patients had achieved and continued to maintain stable disease, 3 of whom presented with progressive disease. The company announced the initiation and first dosing of the second cohort of its INDP-D101 trial, which will be administered at a lower dose and is expected to bring the company closer to determination of the recommended phase 2 dose for the multi-dosing part of the trial. Indaptus Therapeutics announced positive results from the second cohort of phase 1 trial, and the company has initiated its multi-dose cohort. INDP data demonstrates that the company's Decoy platform successfully induces or activates multiple immune cell types involved in anti-tumor responses. The company had news this morning. Indaptus Therapeutics previews positive mechanism of action data to be presented at the American Association of Cancer Research annual meeting. The data demonstrates that the company's Decoy platform successfully induces or activates multiple immune cell types involved in anti-tumor responses. New data shows activity in M1 macrophages, natural killer cells, dendritic cells, Th1, CD4, and CD8 T cells. Dr. Michael Newman, founder and chief scientific officer of Indaptus, will present a poster at the 2024 annual meeting of the American Association for Cancer Research in San Diego on Wednesday morning, April 10th. An abstract of the data to be presented has been published online in the AACR Journal Cancer Research. The data confirm and significantly extend the proposed mechanism of action of the company's proprietary platform technology of attenuated and killed non-pathogenic bacteria containing multiple immune receptor agonists for pulsed anti-tumor immunotherapy. Dr. Newman commented, "These new data demonstrate that our patented single-agent decoy bacteria were able to induce or activate multiple human innate and adaptive immune cell types involved in anti-tumor responses, including M1 macrophages, natural killer cells, dendritic cells, Th1, CD4, and CD8 T cells. The activity was associated with the induction of human tumor cell killing by decoy bacteria in the presence of immune cells. Potentially unacceptable toxicity from this breadth of immune activation is avoided by using systemically administered killed bacteria as a delivery vehicle. Bacteria have been shown to be cleared very quickly by immune organs. And our clinical data have demonstrated broad immune activation with clearance of the product within approximately 2 hours, validating our pulse prime hypothesis. The burst of immune system activation exhibited by decoy has the potential to reduce the chance for toxicities associated with continuous drug exposure. CEO Jeffrey Meckler said, "We are looking forward to expanding on this abstract in a poster session at the AACR conference. It confirms our hypothesis that our decoy platform, in this case our research compound decoy 10, activates multiple innate and adaptive immune cell types known to be critical for effective anti-tumor immune responses. The data are significant as they are highly supportive of the clinical data we have generated to date with decoy 20, which is currently in a multi-dose cohort of a phase 1 clinical trial. It is also highly consistent with our clinical observation that single-agent decoy 20 produces transient induction of dozens of cytokines and chemokines that are critical activators and effectors of both the innate and adaptive immune systems. We're looking forward to advancing our technology and demonstrating its utility for the treatment of solid tumors." He said, "I want to personally highlight the contributions Dr. Newman has made as the inventor of this technology and congratulate him on these very important findings." To read our full report on INDP, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Well, guys, Wall Street embarking on a holiday shortened trading week. The major averages closed Monday's trading session to the downside. Meanwhile, U.S. Treasury yields pushed higher. You can see this is the 10-year was up just under 1% today. The blue chip Dow closed lower by 0.4%. The benchmark S&P finished in the red by 0.3%. And the tech-focused Nasdaq ended in the day down 0.3%. The most exciting event of the week happens once markets are actually closed for the month and Q1 is done and dusted in performance terms. The monthly U.S. personal income and spending report, which contains the crucial core PCE, is released on Good Friday when bond and equity markets are closed. Fed Chief Jerome Powell will also speak on Friday. In Powell's press conference last week, he remarked that the month-over-month print for core PCE could be well below 30 basis points at the end of the month. We are taking him at his word for the downside risk. In terms of stocks making news, Spac Digital World acquisition was up 35% today as its deal to merge with former President Donald Trump's media company officially closed, and it will begin trading tomorrow. The newly combined company will begin trading on the Nasdaq under the ticker DJT. The deal closes after DWAC shareholders voted on Friday to approve the combination with Trump Media and Technology Group. TMTG, as a publicly traded, will continue to be led by CEO Devin G. Nunes and its existing management team. Trump Media and Technology Group, which owns the Truth Social platform, is going public through a long-delayed deal with DWAC. Last month, DWAC finally received SEC approval for its business combination. The SPAC had been trying to acquire Trump's media company for over 2 years. Shares of DWAC have surged 162% this year on hopes that the long-delayed combination was set to be completed, and as Trump won several primaries to become the Republican candidate for president. The stock is down more than 50% from highs from more than 2 years ago in early March 2022. I covered DWAC last week and also in the weekend video. Congrats to all who banked. Video game retailer GameStop is slated to announce its Q4 earnings after the closing bell on Tuesday. The stock has declined by 24% on a year-to-date basis and nearly 44% over a 12-month period. Consensus EPS estimates are for 30 cents. Consensus revenue estimates are for $2.05 billion. GameStop has beat beaten EPS and revenue estimates in 4 of the last 8 quarters. So I'll be watching that. And I will also be scanning the pre-market. If I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. But Tuesday's main focus is INDP. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube or sign up at insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up, just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial, and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to LFG Equities Corp for sponsoring this video on INDP. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation buy, sell, or hold securities. It is our opinion meant for informational, educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.